Hi, this is Rick Boyd with The Boyd Life. Today we're just going to show you a quick video of how we installed a Lagun table. Stay tuned. Alright, today we're just going to show you a real quick modification that we did for our 15 TB. We put in the Lagun table. Now what we did with this Lagun table is, let me raise it up here. Okay. And then you just tighten it like that. Alright, what we did is put a 2x4 down here, which you can't see, but it extended out past the lip that came here. We used the table that was previously here. It was a long table. We just cut it here to 25 inches. And as you can see, it just flips out. And we can rotate it. We'll move these pedals. You rotate it out here. It comes out. Nice height, 25 inches. This was the regular width that came with the RV that fit in between here for the bed. But we never used it because it was such a large table. So this works really well with the width, that when we put it back down, there's another little cabinet down here which we can still use, and when we're traveling we can rotate this around. This rotates really nice any way you want it for where you want to put it. Okay, so it has the rounded edges here. We didn't have to do anything with this edge over here, and it works real well. So to put it away now, all we do, this Lagun table, also just to let you know that we normally these cost about $120 from Lagun, you know, so you get the right Lagun tables, that it's not a knockoff. But they had a sale on scratched, and you don't have a choice of the side that the handles are on. So we got this like for $89. And so it was a really good deal, and that worked out really well for us. So now, as you can see, we can put this thing away just by rotating this around, coming right back into here. Okay, so now it's put away. The other shelf is down here. Like I said, Marta's not helping me shoot this today, so it's a little tougher to show you. But you just rotate this handle, loosen it up, let it come down. It fits right down into there. Then you tighten this up. For travel, it's down here, nice and tight. It's not going to rotate around or anything. And it's stowed away for travel. Now we can use this where we can set over on this side or this side. This is a perfect position for it. We tried some other locations, but it didn't rotate as much, and it was in the way of some drawers. But this is going to work real well when we sleep. We sleep in our twin beds here. This is out of the way. We can put things in here, and it's right even with our bed. It's just a really good spot. And so we thought it was a very good addition to our ePro 15 TB. So we're excited. We're getting ready to go on our little trip coming up here. This all locks down real nice. It's real easy to put away. You don't over tighten it. And I'm not very, let's see, I'm not very good at doing things. But we got this done. We watched a couple YouTube videos of somebody putting it in, and they'll give you all the more of the specs. But by using the table that came here, I know now we don't have we have the extra piece cut off in the garage. If we ever want to use it, we can here to expand this bed, but we don't really need it. But this made a very good, easy table. The screws were all there. We really enjoy this Lagun table. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and like. We appreciate it. We're the Boyd Life. Thanks for watching. All right, thank you.